Hurricane Kiko has rapidly intensified and is now a Category 3 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale with winds of 115 miles per hour at a pressure of 954 millibars. The system, or storm I should say, is expected to intensify further into a Category 4 hurricane later today. And then weakening will occur from there on out. The models are saying that the storm will continue as in hurricane strength and then start to rapidly weaken. Where you see the green areas as tropical storm conditions, and where you start to see some of those purple areas as hurricane force winds. As you can see, it dissipates, and then there goes the other one. Large low pressure over there looks like what's left of another disturbance. And then there goes another hurricane there. Oh wait, nope, that's the same one. Never mind. So that one keeps. There it is. There it is again, Kiko. And then there's another system. Trying to get this in shape here. Look at the date. Yep, that other tropical storm there. Not much, so. And then it stalls a little bit and then pulls off to the north. The storm is located at 16.9 north, 120.7 west, and is moving west at 7 knots, 8 miles per hour. This is advisory number 12 by the National Hurricane Center. We also have two other systems here that are following behind, which could become those other two storms I spoke of. 50% within 5 days, and 50 and 60%. 50 on the first one, which is they have disturbance 1 there, and 60% on disturbance 2. In the Atlantic Ocean, there's something more to speak of as well. We have Humberto, with winds of 60 miles per hour, and pressure of 1,000 millibars, up to that. 10% chance of development within 2 and 5 days in a disturbance heading toward Texas. And looks like this system here, 70% chance of development within the next 5 days, 10 within 2, could become our next tropical cyclone in the Atlantic, and the next name on the list is Imelda. They were saying that there could have been another one after that as well, which would have been Jerry, but it seems like we're waiting a little bit longer for that. In the Central Pacific, we have 3 systems, not much. 20% on disturbance 3, 10 and 20 on 2 and 5 days on disturbance 1, and same thing as the disturbance 3, 20%, 0%, and 2 and then 5 in 2 days. And Kiko right there, off the corner of this, the map there. Advisories being issued by the National Hurricane Center. The Central Pacific Hurricane Center will likely adopt the advisories for this storm, and that will continue as the storm is expected to move a bit closer to Hawaii, and the remnants of the system could get there way after the storm has lost its tropical status. So here's another look at the hurricane. It's looking pretty good. The eye, little bit of fractures on the side there, but the storm still has a good-looking eye. The visible imagery doesn't really show much because daylight has not really crossed over the storm yet, but you can see a bit of texture. You can see a bit texture, a texture of the high clouds, as the shadows move away from the storm. We'll likely get a clearer look this afternoon. So that is all on Hurricane Kiko and Tropical Storm Humberto.